The Euphrates River is the longest and the most important rivers in the Western Asia. Starting from Turkey, the Euphrates flows through Syria and Iraq and to Arab, in which empties in the Persian Gulf. The Ministry of Water Resource also declared that the rate of decline in water imports to Iraq had begun gradually and will decrease by 30% by 2035. But seeing the condition as it is up now, it seems the river will completely dry up till then. In the Bible, the Euphrates was one of the rivers that flows in the Garden of Eden. The river was also marked one of the boundaries of the land promised by God to Abraham and his descendants. In the book of Revelation, it is prophesied that in the future the Euphrates will dry up in preparation for the battle of Armageddon. Revelation 16:16. Then they gathered the kings together to the place in Hebrew is called Armageddon. This verse talks about the kings of the east mentioned in verse 12. Revelation 6:12. The sixth angel poured out his bowl on the great river Euphrates, and its water was dried up to prepare the way for the kings of the east. So from this verse, we also see that before the river dries up, the sixth angel poured out his bowl on it. That means that as of now, the present that we are living in, the sixth angel might have already poured his bowl out. We also see in Revelation 9:14, saying to the sixth angel who had the trumpet, "Release the four angels who are bound at the great river Euphrates." So the four angels who had been prepared for this hour, the day, the month, and the year, were released to kill a third of mankind. This verse doesn't specify if this is going to happen after or before the river dries up, but we have never had a catastrophe or an event that wipes a third of humanity yet. So it is believable that this happens after the drying of the river.